Hey guys, so it is now spring and it is time to start cleaning out the garden beds. So lots of things here in this bed for me to tackle. So I wanted to get that done, and things are warming up enough that the soil I can dig into. So I have started doing some transplanting. Yeah, so anyway, I'll take you around as I am cutting back some of these perennials. Hey guys, so sorry, but my phone battery had died and I didn't get to finish up. I didn't have a whole lot left, and there is still some work that needs to be done in here, but for the most part, it's all cleaned up. The catmint already has quite a bit of growth that's pushing out. The millenium alliums have a lot of green also as well. I found some delphiniums that I had planted last year, and those came up this year, so I'm happy to see those and covering them to protect them from the rabbits. I've got some peonies that are coming up, but these peonies are significantly bigger, but typically this particular peony gets about 3 feet tall, so that makes sense. The Gaura is showing some growth. I see some buds on the stem there, as well as some green growth there. And that one is a little behind, but I do see some growth further into the plant. So the St. John's wort is putting out a bunch of new growth. Lots of green in there. The bee balm from my winter sowing last year is going bonkers. And this is not the only patch that I have. I have 3 other patches in this bed. So I am going to have to remove some of them because they're just taking over the world over here. These are Agastache Hyssop, and these are winter sowed last year, and they're starting to come back. I love these. These are purple, so the leaves are a little purple. That's really pretty. These are Snapdragons that I bought at Walmart last year, and they're all coming back. So they overwintered, which is quite surprising. And these are all Veronicas here that are doing very well and pushing out some new green growth. So this lavender, I did not cut back as much as I usually like to, because this needs a little bit of a warmer weather to start putting on some new growth, although I think I see a little bit. And we're also going to get 3 nights of under 20 degrees temperatures, and I don't want to risk it freezing off some of that new growth that might be there, some of the buds, well, some of the leaves that is putting out. So I just cut it back by about half, and I'll probably go in a little deeper once the weather gets even warmer. So that's it for this garden cleanup. I'm really looking forward to seeing even more green growth in this garden bed. But I still have a lot of work to do in some other beds as well as some transplants. So thanks for joining me, and don't forget to hit that like button, comment below, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.